How to order Temu Cash on delivery. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Temu application. Simply go ahead and log in or sign up to your account. So once you are signed into your account, you want to go ahead and simply search for a product you would like to order. Once you found it, go ahead and tap onto it, then tap on add to cart. Once it is added to cart, you want to go ahead and tap on go to cart, and just like so, select checkout. And just like that, you want to go ahead and simply type in your first name, your last name, your address, and your phone number. And once you're inside this checkout section, after you type in your location, you want to go ahead and simply look for cash on delivery under the payment method. The option may vary by region. Also, if your total is too high, over $30 in the example, the COD may not show up, so try a smaller order. So if the COD is available in your case, you want to go ahead and tap onto it and then simply follow the checkout prompt, and just like so, you will then be able to order Temu Cash on delivery. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.